Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT RS package vehicle. This SUV does come with the 3.6 liter V6 and made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the RS Traverse, right away in the door we do have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seats, automatic power tailgate there as well. Steering wheel black bow tie comes with the RS package. We do have the heated leather steering wheel, forward collision warning, audio and dash controls there as well. Looking at your 8-inch touchscreen, push button start, nav, audio, climate controls, Apple CarPlay, all controlled through your touchscreen here, as well as your super secret storage back there as well. Cool little feature a lot of people don't even know that it's in their car. We do have the heated seats up front for the driver and passenger, USB outlets, auxiliary outlets, automatic shifting knob, 4x4 dial there, beautiful jet black leather interior with these beautiful black leather heated seats. Moving on to the exterior of the RS Traverse, we do have these beautiful 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Continental all-weather tires there. We do have the color matched door handles and mirror caps, blacked out window trim, roof rails up top black as well, LED daytime running lamps, blacked out Chevrolet bow ties on the front and rear as well, power tailgate, bird's eye view camera system. You can see the dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the rear there as well, parking sensors, tow hitch already installed, and of course that beautiful RS badging. Moving back into the interior here, second row captain's chairs. This one's folded down for demonstration purposes, both heated as well. You can see there we do have the USB outlets and everything, LED lighting. We do have the secondary sunroof up top here. Open that up, letting all that light in. Beautiful 60/40 split for the rear third seat there. A 7-passenger SUV. If you take your time to watch this brief walk-on video on the beautiful brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse RS. Whenever you're ready to put this vehicle to work, take the kids to school, just have fun with it. Come down and see us at GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.